Hi, I'm Lin McCraw at the McCraw Law Group. I'm here answering frequently asked questions from my clients that I've seen from time to time and hope that it helps you. One question that we almost always get is, what is my case worth? People ask that as if they know that we're gonna have some magic bullet and we can tell them down to the dollar what the case is worth. The reality is, clients know that we don't know that, and we won't know that for a long time. The worth of a case, what it's ultimately worth, depends upon a lot of factors. Now, some of those factors are in your control, and some of them are not in your control. And to the degree that we can, we make sure that anything that's in our control is maximize the benefit for the client. Now, what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is situations like making sure that we don't have gaps in treatment that are unexplained. That's something that defense lawyers can use to try to confuse juries with. So we want to monitor the medical treatment to make sure that we have that. We don't have that. We want to make sure also that the medical records accurately show what you've been through. From time to time, these medical records are simply wrong. If medical records are wrong, we want to know about them, and you're not going to know about your medical records. I mean, how many times have you gone to your doctor and say, let me look at my chart? How many times have you said, doctor, you got that wrong. My left leg was hurt, not my right leg. Well, you're not going to do that. But part of what we can do to help you is go over those medical records, identify problems or potential problems, and have them addressed in real time so they're corrected in the medical record so that we can prevent problems before they even occur. So we can do that to help enhance the value of the claim. It takes three things to have a good lawsuit. It takes liability or fault, damages, and money. You take away one of those three things and there is not a good lawsuit. The worse all three of those things are, the better the lawsuit is and the more valuable it is. So the greater the degree of fault, the better the lawsuit. The greater the degree of damages to the person, the more that it affects their life, the more that it impairs what they can do, and the longer lasting the pain, of course, the greater the lawsuit. And the last, of course, is money. Without a source of money like insurance, the lawsuit recovery can be very limited. If you have adequate insurance, then it can be much greater. So we have to look at all three of those issues in determining what the value or worth of your lawsuit is. Again, how bad's the fault, how bad are you hurt, and what are the sources of money that are available. If you would like analysis of your case to see where your case fits on this continuum, please feel free to give us a call from McCraw Law Group. The number is below on the screen. We look forward to helping you.